Can any of you guess what this thing's for? It's a little charger for charging individual lithium cells, it being the power tool batteries like DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita, etc. Sometimes if you get an old battery and the cells are nearly all gone, you can do what I did. Salvage this one cell. That's showing, I'll show you the voltage of it here, hold up. This one's showing 2.76 volts, which is low but not unsalvageable. You'd ideally want to be bringing it up to about 3.7. So back to the little charger again. It's got a USB end on it. I just need to plug that in. It's got a spring-loaded apparatus, so it can work on different lengths of batteries effectively. So just put that on to go to a red light then. So we'll have to wait till that charges to see how we get on. And we've got it up to 3.42 volts from 2.76. So that's well in the rechargeable zone now. So I could effectively slot that into a battery pack and it'll be okay. So if you have a battery pack that the cells are nearly all kaput in, it could be a good thing to do to pull them out and use this little £3.50 eBay charger to salvage some of them.